Chevrolet Chrysler.
Here's a 67 Camaro with a 350. And you know, I always like the vent windows, so to me that's an option. They should have a standard feature they should have never gotten rid of. I know they had astro ventilation later, but astro ventilation doesn't work anywhere near as good as vent windows. Plus, why not have both, astro ventilation and vent windows? I'm trying to save money is what they were doing. Electric radiator, which I got to fix. I got to go look at my Sebring convertible, fix that on that, and aluminum. Electric fan, aluminum radiator, MSD ignition, power brakes, power steering, dual master cylinder. Nice dark blue interior, actually dark blue exterior with black interior, black mirrors. Got the 5-speed on the floor. Very clean, man. Very clean. Very clean. SS. Super Sport. She's a beauty for sure.